Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are making sada roti or plain roti. Perfect to go with chokas. The recipe is above for you. Here we go. Starting off with some plain flour in the bowl. We're going to add baking powder and then some salt. Mix that a little bit so everything's nice and incorporated. Then we're going to add some oil followed by some cold water. Pour that in gradually and then you can start to bring the dough together. Use your hands or a spoon as I'm doing. Mix and then you want to bring it together until you form a nice soft dough. Once it's like this, turn it out onto the side and knead it for a few minutes, 5-10 minutes, until it's nice and smooth like this. Cover it with a towel, leave it to prove in a warm place for about half an hour, 40 minutes, until it's doubled in size. Turn out the dough, divide it into 4 pieces, shape them so they're nice and smooth, and then cover them again so they can rest. Once they're rested, roll out the dough till they're about half a centimeter thick, and then you want to place it onto a hot tower or frying pan so that it can roast. You don't need any oil for these at all. Watch for the bubbles to rise like this and then it's ready to turn. And then just keep repeating that so that you can gradually cook them slowly. If you get an air pocket, that's great. If you don't worry, but that's a good sign that you've got a good roti. Once they're nice and evenly cooked all over, remove from the heat, place on a plate and cover with a towel so they can stay warm. Repeat with the remaining dough. And then that's it. The sada roti is done. Really simple recipe. Once they're all done, you can just serve them with a little bit of butter on them or with the chokas, aubergine or tomato. The recipe for them is above. I will also put them as a link in the description. And that's it. I hope you liked it. Until the next time, peace and love.